Hello everyone, my name is Aryan
I'm Fajr.
and we are here to present IVA, that is Interactive Virtual Assistant for Windows. It's a capstone project for computer engineering technology program.
It helps you boost your productivity with minimal interruptions while doing your tasks.
It's a locally running self-trained AI model that uses NLU to understand your commands and gives responses in an interactive window.
Let's dive into its features and functionalities.
So now let's start screen recording for better view. But for this, I will use IVA.
I'm here for you.
Start screen recording. It would just start screen recording, and that we would put that in a small window right over
Starting
here.
screen recording.
Alright. Now let's just talk with it.
I'm here for you.
Good afternoon. It should give me a reply.
Hey, how are you?
Thank you, I'm fine myself.
I'm ready to help.
Set a timer for 15 seconds.
Timer set for 0 hours,
We
0
get a
minutes,
window
and 15 seconds.
with a timer set for 15 seconds. We can place it anywhere we want and also minimize it if we need it. And we can also set multiple timers at the same time.
I'm here to help.
Set a timer for 10 seconds. So as you can see, the previous timer is up and we get the times of
Timer set for 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 10 seconds.
and the new timer is available at the same time. Now let's get the weather outside.
I'm here to assist.
What's the weather outside? It would give us the weather of our current location, and we can search if we
Showing
need
weather of current
weather of any
location.
other location.
Search to specify a location.
So right now it gives us the weather of Willowdale, that is our current location, and we can also search, let's say, New York. And we do get the weather for that as well. Now let's set a reminder.
I'm here to help.
Set a reminder for picking up groceries. It would give us the reminder details, that is picking up groceries in the box, and all we need to do
Set
is
your reminder details.
set the timer details, sorry, the reminder details. And let's say I'll get them at 9:46 p.m.
Reminder set for picking up groceries.
We can also check the reminders.
I'm ready to help.
Show all the tasks.
Showing all the reminders.
So in this way we do get all the tasks that are set for now, and from here we can always delete anyone. So now let's delete this one too. Now let's explore the list feature. We can create multiple lists, as many as we want, and we can add items to each of those. This would allow us to organize our lists in a better way. Now let's create a list.
I'm ready to help.
Create a list called project. This would give us our list name in a small window, and then we can just confirm the list name and the list will be
Confirm list
created.
name.
So we can edit it if we want, but let's just create it.
List created for a project.
Now project is stored as a list. We can create add items to it.
I'm here for you.
Add computers to the project list. This doesn't require any confirmation. It would directly add computers into the project
Computers added to
list.
project.
Now let's create another list.
I'm here for you.
Create a list called groceries. This would create a separate list in the same way.
Confirm list name. List created for groceries.
Let's add some items to it.
How can I help?
Add bananas to the groceries list.
Bananas added to groceries.
So once the lists are created, we can always edit them. We can delete the lists or single items from that. To do that, let's just say
I'm here for you.
show the lists. This would give all the lists in a separate window. That would be a small window to minimize any user interaction.
Show me your lists.
We do have 2 lists here, groceries as well as the project. So we do have the bananas that we just entered into the grocery list. To delete that, we just simply press the cross button here, or we can delete the whole project list at once just by deleting it, and this will help us in organizing our tasks.
For user preferences, we have our config app. This is the home page of our config app. This is the voice with which we can change the voice from female to male. There are 2 voices available, Orbit for male and Luna for female. Let's try to change it from Luna to Orbit.
I am Orbit. How may I assist you?
Just like that, we have the log section where we can see the logs in order to troubleshoot any technical issue that we face. We have an about section which gives us an overview about the features and the functionality of our project. Then we have our input mode where we can select with which way we want to give command to the IVA. There are 2 options available, voice and text. We can select whichever we want. Now let's try to search something.
I'm here for you.
Search for Seneca Polytechnic. As you
Searching
can
for
see,
Seneca Poly.
it searched for Seneca Polytechnic. Now let's try to play some music.
How can I help?
Play something by Justin Bieber.
Playing Justin Bieber.
As you can see, it started playing music by Justin Bieber. Not only that, this project can also help us troubleshoot technical issues like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Let's try to see how to troubleshoot Wi-Fi.
I'm ready to help.
Can you help me troubleshoot Wi-Fi? It will give you a pop-up and it will show you the steps of how to troubleshoot the Wi-Fi.
To set up Wi-Fi, follow these steps. VR. 1. Open the settings on your device. VR. 2. Go to the Wi-Fi or network section. VR. 3. Turn on Wi-Fi.
As you can see, there is an option
4. Select your
for
Wi-Fi
pop-up
network from the
window.
list of available networks. VR. 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password if required and connect. VR. 6. Once connected,
Here we
should
can see the
Wi-Fi
steps
icon on
and
your
then we
device.
can follow it, and whenever we want we can close the window. Now let's explore the input mode of our config app. As you can see, there are total 2 options available, voice and text, through which we can give command to our project. Let's switch it to text. Now we'll try to take a screenshot. Let me minimize the other screens. Let's try to take a screenshot. As you can see, there is a pop-up for a text input. We'll type take a screenshot.
Screenshot taken.
Alright, let's see what photo it have taken. As you can see, our project have taken the screenshot. Thank you everyone. This was our project IVA that helps individual and enterprises to do their work without actually interrupting their work.
So guys, remember, Windows plus O, your shortcut to seamless productivity.